everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today is our frequently asked questions about Nuvo drops. Well, really you just had one. Why do I get peaks on my Nuvo drops? So I went back to Tonic, I asked the question, and really there were two reasons why you would get peaks on your Nuvo drops. Now the first one is if your nib is clogged, and the second one is temperature. So I went back to a couple of you and we did some experiments to make sure these two fixes really worked, and they do. So the first one is if your nib is clogged, how do you unclog it? Now some of you said, well, I pushed and pushed and pushed and then my Nuvo drops exploded, because this piece here is removable. So if you give your Nuvo drop a light squeeze and it doesn't just easily flow like mine does here, then your nib is clogged. Also, if it's slightly clogged, you may get a peak because you're not going to get a nice round piece come out of your nozzle. So how do you unclog it? Well, it's actually really easy. All you do is grab it here and tilt it towards you like this, and you'll see that this top piece just comes out. Then you can take a Nuvo craft pick, which is the perfect size, and you're going to poke it in at one end and give it a nice turn. Just turn, 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 as the song goes. And what you'll find is if you have any solid pieces, it will start just coming out the top. You'll do that from one end, and then also do it from the opposite end. You may have to do it a couple of times, but the pick is going to unclog that for you. And then all you do is pop this nib back on. If you have any issues, you can also use your tweezers if you don't want to get your fingers in it. But I find that just kind of tilting that is going to work perfectly. So that's number one. The second one is temperature. So temperature. My house is a consistent 21 degrees centigrade, much to Greg's disgruntlement. Sometimes 22 if he's at work. But that means that my Nuvo drops always are a nice fluid consistency. You see how easily they flow out my nozzle. And I can do all sorts of different shapes. Means my Nuvo drops will pipe like this. I get a peak and then it settles. Now, if you want to know about piping different shapes of Nuvo drops, you can check that top right hand corner. I showed you the different types, whether it's glitter drops, dream drops, glitter accents, all of those different things. There was also a download on the Nuvo drops. You can also check out the video in the top right hand corner that I did about piping them directly onto glue dots to create your own enamel drops. And then I also have a full playlist of lots of different Nuvo drop videos, whether it's creating backgrounds, creating different shapes, and we will continue to add to these playlists too. So again, check that top right hand corner for that one. But the one thing you want is temperature. Now, if you're working in the basement, maybe your house is a little bit on the cooler side, any of those things, or if you're just not getting a very fluid option, you have a few different things you can do. Put it in your hand to warm it up to start with. You can just pop it in your apron pocket, pop it in your jeans pocket for a few minutes. Someone told me they popped it in their bra. That warmed it up super quickly. That is an option too. But what you want to make sure is your Nuvo drop is nice and warm. That's what's going to give you this nice round drop, this nice fluid consistency. Nuvo drops like warmth. That's what gives you that nice fluid run like this. And that's what's going to give you the perfect Nuvo drop. And it's going to allow you to create all those fun shapes. It's going to allow you to create those nice embellishments. So they really are the top tips and the secret to success. Really simple things. Make sure your nib isn't clogged and make sure that you have them nice and warm. And as I say, it doesn't have to be super long. Just pop it in your pocket a few minutes. So grab the one you want to use, pop it in your pocket, pot around, maybe add your layers on, and then pipe out your Nuvo drop. And you should find it works perfectly. As I say, we did do some tests. I even popped my Nuvo drop into the fridge. I got the peaks like you did. Popped it into my pocket for a few minutes, piped it, didn't get the peaks afterwards. And I reached out to a few of our viewers who are having the issue. They tried those tips and they didn't get the peaks afterwards. So they really are the secrets to success with Nuvo drops. If you are having any other issues with your Nuvo drops, get in touch with us. We're more than happy to add more videos to our Nuvo drops. We'll also be showing you different shapes because that was very much a something that you wanted to see from some of our other videos, we'll be adding that to the playlist very soon. If you have any other videos you want us to do, whether it's not Nuvo drop related or it's 2-minute tips, you can add those in the comments below. We read all of your comments and we try to reply to as many as we can. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and check out the links below for all of our exclusive coupon codes. We have 30% off of all those amazing Tonic Craft Perfect papers this month, and 20% off the Tonic stamping category. And those coupons can be stacked on top of the Tonic March Madness sale. So lots of savings to be had. Check those out in the video description. Also coupons at LDRS and other stores as well, so you'll want to check those out too. If you enjoyed today's video, give us a thumbs up, and also don't forget to check out the Hedgehog Hollow kit. We've opened up the waitlist and we've brought back that black and white spotty box again. You can check that out in that top right hand corner to see what's in our April 2019 kit. I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. I'll see you then. Happy stamping. Bye.